professionals. We will explain how to apply for the NCLEX RN exam in the United States. Foreign Plus is one of the best health professional registration firms. We do all health professional international registration for various countries. Today, we are discussing how to apply for the NCLEX RN examination in the USA. The application pattern is slightly different for different states in the USA. Still, in most states, we do CGFNS verification at the beginning, and we do not want any English proficiency exam until the NCLEX exam. After passing the NCLEX RN exam, English proficiency is required. Some states accept OET and IELTS, while others will only accept IELTS. As we said earlier, in most of the states the first step is CGFNS. We provide complete assistance for CGFNs, including the application, college verification, and council verification. Step number 2 is fingerprinting. We will show you how to complete the fingerprint process, and the process is slightly different for different countries. Step 3. Registration is on the State Board of the USA. This step is a little confusing and different for different states. We shall do everything to get registration for exam approval. Step 4 is the NCLEX RN exam. We shall take the approval and book the exam as per your convenient location. For international candidates who like to attend the exam in India, we shall assist you with your visa and emigration to travel to India, and we shall arrange hotel accommodation, transportation, and everything else on India to make easy of your travel. Our assistance will be with you until you complete the process.